How to automate tagging guests and sending email marketing. Automating manual tasks helps you supercharge efficiency at your restaurant. With restaurant automation, you can add tags, update statuses, and send messages based on rules you set up. If you have a Pro subscription, start by clicking Create and Manage Automated Tasks. Click Add New Automation Rule. Give your automation rule a name and description, and then select if you want your automation to control reservations or guests. When you're done, click Add New Automation Rule. You are now ready to define rules for this automation using conditions and actions. Conditions set when to trigger the automation. Actions define what action you want EDAP to complete automatically in the background. Let's see how we can use automation to automatically message a guest once they've hit 3 visits and tag them as a regular customer. Start by ensuring that you have created a guest rule automation. Click Add Condition. Select Guest Visit Count. Select Guest Visit Count equals exactly 3. This means that our automation will run as soon as your guest has visited 3 times. Click Add Action. Select Add Guest Tag. Choose Regular. Next, add an action to send a guest email and SMS. To be able to send custom emails through automation, navigate to the Messaging Templates tab and create your emails and SMS using the Guest Custom Message type. You've now learned how you can automatically tag guests and send them messages.